Here from Carl, and this is the way it came in. It's loose, it's rattling inside, it's falling apart. The bottom is, I don't know if you can see all this, but the bottoms are about to fall. It's about to fall out of the bottom. There's a hole in it, another hole, and it's collapsed. Okay, we're going to open it. It's supposed to be a IBM Typewriter. It's heavy, but it needed to be in a little better. Bigger or stronger box. Okay. Let's see what we got. Voided space up here. One problem. I don't know what happened here, but it's completely apart. He did mention he was pulling the roller out. Here's the roller. Actually looks alright. And loose stuff in here. And, here's the lid. And there's nothing on the bottom of this. There's nothing on the bottom. There's something in the back. Okay, so that's probably about it. It looks kind of rough, but I think this lid was on. Look, it got separated. And just one lever broken right here. That goes over there. Another whole lever assembly. And it also goes over here. And I think the shaft is busted. It's got the hole in it. So, something busted there. And I'll have to look at it further. See what else is out of whack beyond the regular repair it came in for. So, that's it.